All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, everybody? Glad to be back. Please hit that like button for me on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. Feels like we got some action this morning, yo. EVTV still rolling, still doing beautiful things. Um, yeah, lots of things going on. HMA. It's really gapped up into a lot of resistance. So I don't know. I don't know. Let me see. What you guys been trading in the Discord this morning? AHMA, XAIR, EVTV. What's technical calling out? I mean, notorious. Which one he's talking about? Yo, what's up, Nova? Same to you, bro. Oh, you at work, man. I was working the night shift last night, man. Just thinking about the dream, bro. One day it's gonna all be over with. Living the dream. Thanks for checking in, bro. I tell you what, I am really becoming about that trend line life. I am really becoming about that trend line. But I just don't want it to override. I'm not making it like a change. I'm making it a just kind of a guide. I don't want to just start taking entries on trend line breaks without, like, being at support, things like that. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, for sure. For sure. I have no doubts. ATON. Where's that? That's really where it's at. ATON might be cooked. There's the bell. Yo, focus. What's good, brother? I kind of want to see what shakes out. Yo, HH. Wave Rider. What up, bro? Mm, nice little flag right there. Looking for them Bulls. Yes, sir. Yeah, P Max. That's what's up. What up, Bobby? Man. That's what's up, HH. I'm trying, bro. I spent a good amount of time last night just pulling up charts and drawing lines. And it was an enlightening experience, to say the least. What up, OG? What y'all do pre-market? Bobby and OG, y'all do anything? Man, I like ETTV, but I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. Oh, I'm gonna be patient. I'm chilling. Mhm. This was like an hourly trend line break. I remember drawing. I actually drew this on the hourly first. And I was like, yo, yo. uh, super clean. Yeah, bro. I got a fresh copy of Windows, fresh copy of DOS. We rolling right now. Rolling good. Look at that, bro. We should be trading the hourly. uh, waiting on A time. What price you waiting on? Focus. Think you've been in there by now. Are you waiting for like 160? Please believe it, please. Whoa, EVTV with the slappage back down to three. Nice ride up to 350 though. Mm, mm, mm. Right on. AHMA coming out from the depths. From the depths. Halt. Halted. I hope it bump his head on that trend line and come back down for me. Come back down for me. Not yet. Dubai stock. That's the first time I've heard that. Come on down. Damn. Oh yeah, that was a big run on the one. You can calm down. Little 5 minute red, you be good to go. Just gotta remember the process. It's gonna go. South. UAVS. I haven't even looked at UAVS actually. Potential daily breakout. It's got a catalyst. I'm assuming. I mean, I don't even gotta ask if you bringing it. I ain't even gotta ask. Yeah, I mean, this is the getting up there for the, the last run of this pop, I would say, because you got two nice big highs made already. But I mean, it's definitely set up for the daily breakout, especially you can get that puppy down low. Nice little high yesterday at 182. Look at that. Look at that trend line respect. It's like magic. It's like magic. Respect a deck. Got a lower day here. Would love to take a trade off of that bad boy. 177. Ooh, look at XAI over here clowning. Thanks, Lobby. I try. What? P-Max. That looks nice. Ooh, that looks real nice on the hourly, bro. Over 205. It's nice, man. And for the break of 205 or what? Knees time. I like that one though. That one looks good. I wonder if ETTV is gonna hold up. I kind of feel like it will because it broke a nice little trendy on the hourly. I wonder if it can give me an entry near lower day though. That's what I wonder. It's a nasty rejection candle. Hey, volume and attention. I mean, I think XAIR is like, it's kind of hard to, the dollar ones, they always like their volume is outsized. Uh, Decoy ain't doing diddly squat. Ooh. Dang. Do I want that from lower day though? Nah, not after that rejection candle. Heck no. Nah. Yeah, I got XAR, XAI, XAIR. 935 closing candle again. But bro, joint was nasty if you got in with the wrong Tizon. Man, I want to take that, but I don't like this candle right here. I sure want to take that. It didn't look perfect to me. I mean, after that, I mean, if I'm getting in on the close and the lows down here, I'm not feeling that. Yeah, I don't have the data that you have to see that. I don't see that. Ooh, I think that's got to be taken. I think we got to call this the higher low too. I don't see the volume change over yet though. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Decoy. I think I need to put a. Man, I really want to get in ET, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for that lower high on the 5. I'm gonna follow this thing right here today. It's not that I love it. P Max halted. Oh no, it broke 205 though. Man, I really wanted to take this, but this is a no. It's so hard for me to accept a no. That's why I always break my rules, because it's like, nah, but it could go. Like, of course it could go, but you just don't get in after these candles. Just gotta wait. You don't see how it holds 3? Man, ETTB and ATON giving me the FOMO tap on the shoulder. The FOMO tap on the shoulder. XAIR looks terrible to me. Like, I don't see a way into it. ATON is looking gorgeous. Oh, look at the 60. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient with ATON. Yeah, I took HMA off HH. Took it off. $184 target on XAIR, an exclusive. I'll watch it. UABS trading nice. All right, what we gonna do here? A-time. Man, there goes UABS. This is looking real kind of saucy right here. Yeah, UABS rolling. Dirk, I am not here to copy trades, my friend. I appreciate the ideas. I've adopted a whole entry system around stuff I've gotten from you. Volume changeover? I would say so. I'm having a moment right here, guys. I can't. I'm vibing with my watch list. ATON. It wants to break that line, but it's not ready yet. Maybe it is. Yeah, I think this was it. I just, bruh, this rejection was be wild. I just want that easy money. You feel me? Man, yeah, I wonder if hmm, that's clear uptrend and downtrend. Oh yeah. Hmm. I really wanted to get in right here, but I gotta respect my rejection rule. Yeah, we'll see though. A key. What does that equate to? Dang, for real, knives. What am I looking for here? Break of 115. Can you do it? I'll take a double bottom. What is this? That's 115. Come on, attack 115. There it is. Good call as usual, Dirk. No way, Splinter. That's crazy. You scout. I hope my hotkey works. I really haven't tested it since I installed this new platform. The other hotkeys work, so should work. Nah, I see it, Dirk. Oh, there goes that idea. Come on, 109. There it is. I can hold 107 and break 113. I'm getting tunneled again. You think so? I know, bro. XAR going crazy. Dirkstradamus over here. Well, because XAR is not in a downtrend. I'm trying to get a reversal. So yeah, Ben. So I'm hunting downtrends into support, trend line breaks and such, looking for the switch. I thought he does pretty good. I don't know where my order field is at, but we in there.
Order filled.
There we go. Ain't no way. Hmm. Knees. Just need a lot of volume to come in. Just getting started, HH. Or what, you want me to draw a line from here to there? Hmm. Hey, how come this not working? I mean, I meant to have it covered up, but it's supposed to show something. There we go. Hey, UAVS looking real cool over here at pre-market high. Ah, dang. Closed it down. That's how you do it. On what? On one stop? Or if we talking about four different trades? Oh we there's 120. Let's go, man. Hey. Let's get a little.
Order
Let's
filled.
just hit the button because we hitting the button. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's just hit the button one time for the one time. I need to get my order filled going though. I don't like that. Alert and trigger. Oh, we don't have anything. Oh man. I don't have time for this. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's do it. Let's put that stop back in. I don't think we should lose money on this trade at this point. Do you? I don't think so. Oh wait, no, we said we was gonna manage on the trend line. So let's be patient. We're gonna be patient. Let this thing shake a little bit. I really want 130s. That's my objective. Line to line. Line to line. It's looking good. I ain't gonna hold you. This is looking pretty decent too. That was it right there. Just black half. Wide entry though. And I'm cool. Let's see what this got for us. Nice little volume change over there. Just gotta be patient. Let it shake. What was that? 105. P-Max doing the thing. Yeah, P-Max looked real good, man. I really didn't have no doubt about that. I should have bought P-Max in my swing count. That was a real good one. Yeah, that was it on ETV, ETTV. Yeah, it could be not it though. It's early. It's still way under the wedge. Yeah, it's just time for a little bounce. Yeah, I'm cool. I'm liking this over here. Why you say that, Dirk? He's about to learn. Oh, you say that too, HH? Both of y'all are against me. Dang, I knew it, bro. I knew it, bro. Next time. I know, Brian. Yeah. Oh, you said that was the one I should have taken? I don't feel like this is a gamble though. We're gonna find out together as friends. Yeah, I definitely like that support level, but I was just yeah, this was a no-brainer, honestly. This is a no-brainer for sure. Yeah, but I really want to sell. I want to sell wherever I feel like I should sell. So like whenever that thought pops up in my brain, I should sell here. I'm gonna hit the quarter sell button. But my target is 131, so that's where I want to hit like the half, or maybe, probably hit the half 2 times. But now I wrote it down. Sell through every level, sell on big volume pops, sell third consecutive high on the 5. Yeah. Welcome to the chat knives. Welcome to the chat. Man, EVTV though. It's always one that gets away. We need back over 22. What we doing, decoy? Ooh, look at those nice orders coming in. Ooh, come on, 22. What you gonna do? Ooh, come on. I see it. Ooh, there's 21. Come on, 22. Come on. 21, 21. Tape speeding up. That's good. There's 22. Come on, 23. Come on, 23. It looks like you want to squeezy. Squeeze a squeeze. 23s. Uptrend confirmed. Uptrend confirmed. Uptrend confirmed. Come on, give me 30. All right, thanks, Ben. Dang, bro. EVTV is almost at pre-market high, bro. Thanks, Dirk. All right, Buzz. Take a break. Dang, P-Max 21. Well done there, sir. I know the party ain't over yet. Yeah, there goes EVTV to $4. $4. Entry 275. Just a little pullback on the one. That's all. Buyers are still here. They still slapping the ask. They still here. Oh, they slapping the ask. Hey, Decoy said I could squeeze two. Come on, baby. Give me a pop. Nice shiny pop. Orders rolling in, baby. Come on. Some suckers. Interesting. You said you would be? Yeah, I'm chilling. I think break even is reasonable though. At least like right up under 112. Come on, I can feel it. Come on, Buzz. Bring it on back out. Bring it back out. Just politicking. 100K shares. On the ask? Man, thanks, Trey. Trying to get to 130 though. Just slapped 123 off the thing. Ah, dang. Bruh, I was about to take EVTV trade, and I was like, I was already in decoy, so I'll give myself a pass. Any moment now. Any moment. Man. Sadness. Oh man. I'm liking Aton over here. Nah, not really. I mean, yeah, kind of am. All day, nice volume coming in after that, but I would actually draw this puppy and then see what's popping later at lower day, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Dang, nice little strong pullback. Back from the dead. I took off HMA. Problems. XAIR about to go on round two. Yeah, I would too. It's below my support levels, so it's not an ideal idea at all. I just like the pattern off of the lower day, but other than that, I would say it's definitely still downtrending. Yeah, did have a lot on watch today, but I did I feel like I did okay. It would have been nice to catch EVTV, but at least I'm in one of my ideas, so I can't be too mad. I like this volume in here, man. 27 is the number to break. Yeah, I can dig that. Got yourself some Frank chips for the live. they, they tomato flavored. See you at $3. Well, I'm gonna see you at $2. What up, Eric? Oh, you just took AHMA? Let's see what that thing is talking about. See what I missed. I didn't even draw levels on that thing. Definitely got some volume in there. I can dig it. Man, I feel the same way, Trey. Why they making me wait so long for it? Sheesh. Man, big size, bro. They are hitting the ask. That's a lot right there, though. That's a lot. Well, it's only $1 stock, though. Yeah, the reversal kind of just happened too quick for me on XAIR. Wicks are just like super big. Dang, man, we ain't gonna go to the 131. 10%. I have a target, sir. I'm looking for 131. Bro, why is this arcus not shrinking? Here we go. Hmm. Well, I'm trying my best, Dirk. Got here. Come on, 26. Golly, bro. He's stacking. Two coming. Yeah. That joke is strong, man. That wasn't a bad pullback off 350 either. That high candle ain't too bad. But quarter. Oh, I see you, HH. At some point, market maker's gonna clear house. Yeah, I don't like how long it's taking to do the thing. Makes me lose confidence. Still got hopes to the upside. Yeah, fine. This 1 minute chart is worthless. Oh, really? That's a huge limit. I'm waiting for the move. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling that in hindsight. but taking that quarter off made me feel patient to wait the rest of the way to 131. A time look even better now. Yo. We had a level at 169? Ah, hell no.
Order filled.
Damn. It was all a dream. Probably should have used low day according to my buddy Trey here, but the idea is that is the candle. So if it ain't the candle, that ain't the idea. And we need to get out anyway. Damn, decoy done, son. Very confused. Damn, I'm in a 74. Damn. Yeah, line there. Yeah, it's about to be done, so. Why is this 1 minute chart absolutely useless? Is it the trend lines that's skewing it like that? Like, totally useless. Boy, that volume lied to me. Dang, Trey. That joke was clean. Yo, what up, Center Star? Yeah, exactly. They better chill out. Hmm. Damn. Come back lower. Like a wide tail stop. Ooh, it came down lower too. Haven't closed the trade yet. I took a quarter profit on decoy, so I guess I'm green. Will it hold the low?
Order filled.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. Oh, you talking about HH? Yeah, I think I'm about to get stopped on eight time. Either that or a double bottom supreme. Oh, snap. Come on, baby. Bring it on home. There's 70. You looking good. Bam out. Bam out. Yeah, we done with ATON, looks like. Yeah, we stopped out of
Order
ATON.
filled.
That was probably the one that I was like, but not mad about it. I don't know what this thing is doing. Sure do. Could have sold 378. Thanks, Trey. Yeah, I believe it a little more. It just being patient for everything to line up and waiting for that. Um, we might get decoy before EPTV. I hope it can come back from that double top at 378. I should have let off at least a quota up there. It's probably some decent arage for the 124 field. Ah, dog. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Yeah, this would have been a good target to sell something through. I should have set a line there for myself. Oh, for real? Ah, when does that happen? Look at ATON, dirty rat. Dirty rat, 1 cent, huh? Yeah, ATON did me dirty, bro. It might crash out though. I hope it crash out. Yeah, I was for sure. Gotta hold on. That's gonna be pretty depressing to go 3 for 3 today. Well, I guess I got decoy. I can count that as a winning trade. Barely. Yeah, half off at 24 would have been clutch. Like my dear friend Ben suggested. Hmm. Got a nice little line going on there too. Yeah, cold world. Dang, stopped out a decoy. What do we get for decoy? Dang, 0.2R. A coda. Makes sense. It's all up to you, EVTV. This could be really fire, actually. Yeah, I'm trying to I'm trying to get better with selling. Like I definitely could have sold here for sure. It's such a conundrum in my mind because I want to hold to my level, but I also want to take what's there. Yeah, it would have been really nice to get that second attempt at 124 that been suggested. Bro, just go already. Go to your home. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to adjust my mindset to that. Yeah, I really want to avoid that too, man. But that's what I'm. It's just a conundrum because I know they move from level to level, and I want to be patient for my idea. But again, I want to take what's there too. So trying to figure it out. Yeah, I don't know, Trey. I might start using that lower day stop. What's up, weekly? Nice green day. That's what's up, man. That's good to hear. Man, ATON did a brother dirty. Never happens is when you want it to happen. Not the RR maximizing stop. Bro, keep holding your breath and keep missing it. 343. It's always harder the second time because it's like, it's going to break this time. That's why you got to do it the first time. uh, it does, but it's like very stressfully going about it. I feel like these are the moments when you get dumped on super hard and when it's just like you just know it's about to go and it's trying really hard and then boom, the rug pull. Mm. Watching paint dry. It's a little more fun. Mm-hmm. That's a big volume pop. Is it enough? Uh-oh. It looked like it's ready to go right now. Nice double bottom right here at 208. Yeah, that's hitting. And A-Time won it again. I thought this was for sure going. And then after that, nope. There's some buyage happening for sure. FOMO. Just can't do it, huh? Ooh. Bro, this is intense. This is intense. People buying above the bid and such, selling below. I wish Frank was here to read this tape for me and tell me what to do. I'm telling you, bro, this is clean. This is the one I missed right here. 170, 172, 173 entry. It's probably in at 347. 402. What flight you talking about, George? You talking about stocks or you talking about a real flight? Notorious Rob. The second B is silent. That's hilarious. Just ridiculous. Just come on. Yo, what up, trenches? Man, we just gotta take out 378, man. And it's on and popping. XAIR. Yeah, I really like that entry right there. Double bottom off of 208. Just don't have 208 as a level, and it's after my trading window. So all I can do is sit here and hope. Hey. Will it go there before hitting 343 is the question. Dang, bro, ATON looks so clean. This sucks. Yeah. About to get dumped out of here, man. It's gonna be powerful. Oh, they bought up 350. They bought the hell out of 350. Buying the hell out of 362. Stop loss placement for the win. I'm saying, Trey, like, come on, bro. Should have added right there off of 350. Come on, man. I know, right? Need 100K shares stat. It's over.
Order filled.
Womp. Dang, bro. Rough day at the office. Nah. I shouldn't have bought it up there anyway. Man, I had 378, Brian. 2 times. That was probably 2R. Hilarious. Dang, bro. Looking at it from this angle, this was bananas not to sell. Oh my gosh. Bananas. Yeah, this was a crash out. I should have took this off. Yeah. I'm regretting a time. Decoy was cool. I should have taken profit up here. Um What up, Pond? Yeah. So my entries, I'm definitely getting much better with my entries. Um, yeah, we can get the counter up to 1 today. I believe so. Um, yeah, I just gotta take that, man. The entry is razor tight. I'm not. Maybe I should show my R's so I can see it, change my rules. Oh gosh. No, I'm good. I'm growing into my rules. I'm growing into them. So, but two out of three of my trades saw a really nice green actually. And dang, here goes this idea right here. This higher low. Beautiful idea. Yeah, this another one too right here. Trade low a day stop. But the idea is just I'm not trying to me to put my stop down there is to be like, okay, in case I'm wrong about this idea, I want to have a secondary stop to catch me down here. Yeah, I'm working on it, Dirk. It's a work in progress. I'm trying to fix everything at one time. I think I'm making progress on my entries. Um, yeah, I kind of am. Are you saying I shouldn't be? Doesn't make sense long term. I mean, I'm not necessarily expecting a breakout though. I just want to uptrend to the next level, like this right here. This isn't like if I bought right here, this would have been my target. That's not excessive, is it? XAIR was one that would have been cool, but I don't really see my way in here. Um, yeah. So it was just wasn't a confident play for me over here on XAIR. No, I didn't catch it, George. Did you post it in the Discord? I'm pretty sure you did. Yeah, I knew this was about to happen. Dang, bro, why didn't you sell something? Yeah, after the trend line break and back up to that third top, you gotta sell and stop to break even. Even if I don't go to break even, sell something, bro. Yeah. I'm hearing you, Dirk. I need to start looking to get out on that second candle. That second candle up like that. Damn, that was a good trade too. Mm-mm-mm. I feel like it's getting closer. Like it's just like almost had it. Like almost had it. Like this one right here. Just almost had it. If I wasn't out of my window, I would have got back in right here for sure. That would have been a sweet trade up to the next level. Yeah, I know, Dirk. It just takes a while for me to adopt a concept because I have to believe in it. So I have to see it a lot of times. I have to see it in my journal and you know, I have to, it has to make sense to me. I have to see it, you know. I know you see it. It's like glowing in the dark with LEDs and stuff, but, you know, damn it, bro. It's okay. It's okay. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer, and I'm not shooting myself in the foot every day by being upset about being down and wanting to sit here and trade all day and just end up having a huge red day. Like it could have been just a small red, small mid day, but nah, you gotta go and take the money from the market. Look at this, man. What a beautiful move. Should have waited for that penetration. Wow, what a nice move. Hmm. That's the entry band. Thanks, Dirk. Yeah, I'm really proud of my entries though. Man, appreciate it, Brian. I can see that, you know. Um, this is pretty high up. I actually, you see this EMA I put on here? I didn't want to add it. I constantly want to know evolve rules and stuff, but the idea I had with this, I actually switched the slope so that it turns red on the uptrend and green on the downtrend because I want to buy underneath. Like I know it's at least pulled back a good amount if it drops below the moving average. And so this one was just like way up. And I would rather not take that trade because this is for sure like super continuation. Um, yeah, it just moved up and consolidated sideways, you know. So, but I mean, still got a freaking good trade out of it. You just expecting too much. Man, I like how you think about that, Ben. I need to adopt more of that. Look at this, bro. That was sweet, bro. I had two woulda couldas today. This one on EVTV that I really wanted, but I was in decoy already, and then seconds later I'm in three stocks at the same time. So that probably had to do with missing that one on EVTV. And yeah, this is freaking awesome, man. That would have been sweet if it could have happened after my entry instead of an hour later. Jerk. uh, but the main thing I'm really just like that was just completely out of control was going past max loss and trading outside of my window. And then after that was buying at support. And yeah. Hmm. But you know, seeing your ideas work out, even if you don't get to participate, you know, you'll catch them eventually. Those almost had it trades will turn into profits eventually, I believe. UAVS still chopping around? Show is. You know why? Because ain't nobody trading UAVS. Where's the volume? Yeah. Look like Decoy ready to run too. Nice little higher low right there. Did it make a new low? Nah. Yeah, that's cool. These charts were super pointless for me today. Minus 3R. Like his version of 3R? Because that would be really bad. Because I don't even think he knows how to calibrate the R's for DOS, or I don't know. Like, he was down like 1R yesterday on a $500 account, but it was $80. It's like, I don't think you doing that right. AHMA still going. Oh yeah. Another sideways, another sidewinder. UAVS look like it's trying to do something though. Really? Mm-mm. Dang, bruh. Had the profit right in my hands. Nice call, Ben. Ben, we need to talk, bro. I need your short brain. Yeah, A-Time. A-Time is glorious. Decoy is going. Might have to extend that window. uh, only down 1.8R, but I really don't want to lose more than 2R in a day. 3R is max loss, but 2R to me is like, that's plenty. That's plenty. What up, Stanford? 2 minutes later, down 29. Yeah, I did the same thing, Stanford. Same thing, bro. I was in EVTV at 350, like 6 or 7, and got all the way up to 78 and just sat there twice. Stopped out for a 1R loss, 1.1R. Damn, I gotta drop this down some more. Think about that. That sucks. Hmm. Yeah, it worked super well. Um, yeah, I was dreaming of that, but while I was looking at it, and I looked at this high, and I was like, maybe I should sell right there. And then it moved up there, and it was sitting there, and I was like, it might break, and then poop, drop down. And then I was like, all right, definitely got to sell at 78 this time, and it gets up there, and I'm like, it might break, poop. So yeah, same thing with Decoy, kinda. I got this sell off through 20, and then it came up here to 27, I think. Yep. And then back here to 24. No reason to not jump in. Just timing, man. Timing. Timing and risk. I got to see the vision. Mm. All right, though. I'm out of here. Oh. Man. And then it's like you gotta wait all the way till tomorrow. Nah, I'm chilling. I'm definitely not interested in taking a trade outside of my trading window. That's completely lost its allure. Um, yeah, thanks, Dirk. That's like I don't know what happened with that, but it's like gone. Like I don't have any desire to trade outside of my window because I just know what it means. You know, the profitable trade that I would take outside of my trading window, it just reopens that door to me doing what I feel like doing. Yeah. That's how I feel like, if I want to trade the morning rush, the morning momentum, first hour and a half is good, you know. The big moves are made, and they are. The EVTV move has been made, UAVS move has been made, XAIR has been made. Aton just did its move. Little jerk. So yeah, I've long since narrowed down this to be like my prime window, and of course, there's always going to be trades that happen in pre-market that was the best time to take it, and there's going to be trades that after 11 is the best time to take it, like ATON over here. But you just got to accept that okay, I've chosen this window for a reason, and I've had so many times where I've looked back at the end of the month like, dang, if I just stopped trading after this time, I would have been cool. And that's what's up, Eric. It's just like the mental exhaustion of trying to force yourself to be patient and constantly turning down ideas. Like my brain is constantly scanning for, is that a trade? 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 And I'm just like constantly like, no, 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 no. And so like after an hour and a half, bro, it's just you know, like your kid bugging you to have some cake. After the 100th time, it's like, bro, just go ahead and have the cake, man. Wear you down. But the patience seems to be easier now. I'm okay with less. I'm okay with one or two trades or three. Um, yeah, yeah. I want to take the right trade. That's kind of where I'm at now. Like I'm so used to taking like every idea that pops in my head, and I'm that's not the way. You know what I'm saying? That's not the way. So I'm just trying to wait for the one that looks like really obvious to me, and I did pretty good with that today. I'm happy with today. It's not a bad day. It gives me hope that I can actually, because I there was a really like a nice period of time where I really questioned, do I have the ability to control myself? Like I know I can trade, and when I'm in my zone and the setups are there, I can do my thing, but it's all the times outside of that that really seems to make it, with the sitting on the hands, man. And I just didn't know. It seemed like I just not able to do it. Yeah. But seeing myself get this number up to 7, that was really awesome, man. Like I can do this. I can follow my rules, you know. And R stands for risk. And I use an equalized risk system so that every trade I take risks the same amount of money, no matter what the risk idea is. Like no matter where I put my stop loss, I take I make sure each trade risks. I try to make sure each trade risks 1R. You still get slippage and stuff, but Um, it's a way to make sure that your winners are bigger than your losers. What's up, Manny? Yeah, I just like it'd be unbelievable, man. To to spend an entire weekend talking to myself and like bro, all you have to do is just it's just one day, bro. If you max loss, it's cool. Just come back tomorrow. Like you don't have to keep trying to trade and like just follow this rule right here. And if you could just wait for the freaking higher low to print before you enter the trade and like I just like simple straightforward things. And I just, bro, like over and over, just abject failure. Come in Monday after all that, walking around the track, talking to myself, and then come in Monday and just like just, just ruin everything. Just break all the rules like a little kid in a candy store, just like trading everything. So Brian Lee Trader has a great video on R. That's what's up. Yeah. Man, I just started this tier system that I got from my buddy Ben, and it starts at $2, $2 a risk a trade. I was the last few months I was doing $10 a trade. Um, I mean, you can go further back. I have all kind of sagas on this channel from risking $250 a trade. Did I get up to 500? I don't know if I got up to 500. I know I got up to 250. I think I did get up to 500. That first $500 loss hurt so bad. But I'm doing I'm risk is earned. And if you jump into a risk level that you haven't earned, you're putting yourself up to risk unnecessary amounts of money just to have the market tell you you're not ready to risk that. So I've been having a hard time, so I just decided to check myself. Ben sent me this thing a couple months ago, man. It's like, nah, I just about got it, and just lost, hundreds of dollars since then for no reason. So starting at $2, and I got a 15-6 up and down rule. So if I get 15R on the $2 level, I double and move up. Well, I'm gonna move up to 5. And then when I get to $5, if I lose 6R straight, I gotta go back down to 2. But at 5, if I get another 15R, then I double and go to 10. And 15R double and just keep doubling like that. So, that way I'm earning every tier of risk. And if my performance suggests that I need to move it back down, then I move it back down. Rules for the rules. Yeah, bro. Don't cut the beard though, man. Don't do that. You gotta draw the line there, bro. uh, oh, but you said how much money do I normally trade? I hope that answered your question. Mimar. No, I'm not limited to PDT rules. My broker's in the description. I use ST Global Markets. I think they're in Trinidad and Tobago, or no, maybe that's CMEG. I don't know where they at, bro. They somewhere. they, they somewhere where you don't have to use PDT. UAVS. Boy, UAVS is a side burger. It's trying to get back over though. I'd feel pretty good back over 193. Really over 2, but um yeah, no, I got buku leverage. Buku. Shoot, we was trading. I was trading Baba and MU and AMD last year. Got the leverage. I have a super small account. Like I pretty much play with like a couple $100 usually in my account, and because I my risk is so small, I don't need a lot of money in there because I have small risk and my I have like four times leverage at this when my account's this low, or maybe six. I think it's at six times. Um, so yeah, I mean I have enough in my account that I can buy any position risking $2 a share. So like I've never not been able to take a position. But yeah, you really don't need much to start. You just have to risk small. We just People underestimate the literal university education that you have to go through in the market before you actually start making money. So people put their money in and risk it like right at the beginning while they're learning, and it's just like, bro, you don't have to do that. Just risk $1. Buy a share, one share, and as you build a journal of successful trades and walk up the ladder system, and as your profits increase, you'll move up the ladder and be able to risk more, and it'll just the account will take care of itself. Like you can totally start with a small account. People just don't have the patience to scale up. But that's the way, man. Like people want to borrow money to trade to like, nah, if you that good, why you need to borrow the money? Like flip it and turn it. Flip it and turn it. Yeah, I mean he was like scale. What do you mean scale? I was like, bro, like percentages, bro. You don't need 50K. Basically, you need to be able to lose 30K to make 10. That's basically what he was saying. But yeah, man, you can start in the game. I mean, even if you have money to put into your account, like just don't do it. Just start with whatever small amount your broker will, allow you to do what you need to do, and then risk a tiny amount. And if you got it going on, you will climb the ladder super fast. But I want to be rich tomorrow. Yeah, we all want to be rich tomorrow, man. But you gotta be here tomorrow. Your account gotta be here tomorrow. You can't blow up your $500 account in 3 days, and yeah, yeah. But we have ways around that too. Trenches trading. Um, CMEG. Let's see. The fees with CMEG were astronomical. I could absolutely not do what I'm doing right now with CMEG. CMEG, I was paying commissions $4 a trade each way. So I had to risk $25 a trade just so that if I won, it would actually be worth my while. Because like if I use $5 a trade and I'm paying $8 round trip and I win, like I'm still, I only won $2, right? So they're wild. But this broker charges me by the share. So when I'm trading these super small shares, my commissions are nothing. I traded like 20 shares on Decoy, so my commissions are super cheap. And um now once you get over 1,000 shares, it is around like $4. But hopefully you're making some money at that point. um, trading's expensive. But it just wasn't possible to use CMEG on a small account. Another thing I really like with my broker is I can fund it with BTC or just crypto in general. But like I fund my account with Cash App, and I literally buy BTC in my Cash App, and then I send it from my Cash App to my broker, and I get an email 20 minutes later saying my deposit was received and it's ready. It's ready to trade. I like that I have a contact on my phone that I can message whenever I need to like reset my password, or if I'm being really bad, increase my max loss, which is like, bro, I was like, Andy, please, when I call you to increase my max loss, can you just hang up in my face, please? Like, please don't let me increase my max loss anymore. Um, I mean, I think they usually ask for a deposit of like 2,000, but I mean, they're pretty flexible. You could probably slide with 500. Yeah, bro, trying to get my wire set up for CMEG was such a pain. It took like weeks to going to different banks, and banks telling me they can't send a wire over there and all of that. Nah, we gonna be good, Center Star. I just gotta win. That's the only thing keeping my account from growing is I gotta win. I gotta be consistent. That's what's up, focus. Yeah, I absolutely felt that way about CMEG. Are you talking about my broker that I send Bitcoin to? Actually, when I first signed up with my broker, I was terrified to send my money. I used to uh I used to post my executions um because I used to do a lot of good top ticking back in like 2022 when I had a nice little hot fire moment back in 2022, a few months of profitability, and I was posting my executions in different groups on Facebook, and this guy hit me like, "Hey man, who's your broker? How much are you paying for commissions?" And I was like, CMEG, and told him how much I was paying for. He was like, "Dude, you're getting killed." And he was like, "Let me hook you up with my guy. I got a broker offshore, blah blah blah. Hook you up with commissions, give you buku leverage." Now it was like everything you felt like you wanted and needed as a new trader trying to get into the game. Like everything, leverage and all, everything. Cheap commissions. And then I go to the website, bro, and the website is janky as heck, bro. Oh man, it looked like the form was made in Microsoft Word, like the cheap one, like GIMP Microsoft Word. But hey, I sent my money over. It got me together, downloaded my platform, and we've been cool ever since. Yeah, the form is just just like, yeah, just write your name down. Exactly. You got a name? uh it's pretty dope that we have this workaround. uh it's always a workaround. All right, well, we got our number up to one, and my nickname, I don't really have a nickname, bro. Like a trading nickname. I wanted it to be Top Tick. I don't know how that sounds, but like the concept of that being my thing. But it's been a while since I've had some top tick action. One day I will return the top ticker. But I don't know. I feel like it's hard to come up with a nickname for yourself, and especially when you're not profitable yet. It's in my description, Center Star, ST Global Markets. There's a link to. I think I got a link to their website. There's a link to their website, and then I think there's a referral link if you want to show some love to your boy and sign up. Yeah. Progress is being made though. We on our way, y'all. It's going down. Just gotta stick to the rules and be consistent in sticking to the rules. And we'll get there. We'll get there. No crash outs, no big huge red days. And when the good days come, they can wipe out the little small red days. God willing. All right, man. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. And I'll check y'all tomorrow. Thanks.